In number 10, there's actually a couple steps I have to take here in order to solve for x. So I have to find the measure of x and show my steps. Well, let's see. The angle 118 degrees right here. So this angle and this angle I'm working with. Those actually have no relationship whatsoever. They're not corresponding angles. They're not both interior. They're not both exterior. So there's actually nothing in common with those. I can't really work with them. But I know that 118 right here and this angle 4 right here form a linear pair. I know that for sure. So I'm going to start with that. It put that 4 in there because it knew that I needed to use it. So if 118 plus that angle 4 is 180, then I can use that 4 to relate to my other angle. So I'm going to start with that. I know that 118 plus my angle 4 has to equal 180. Well, the measure of angle 4, when I subtract 118 from 80, it's actually going to give me 62 degrees. And then I can work with that. So I know that angle 4 is 62. And then kind of trying to relate what I have now. Now I'm working with this angle, and those actually do have a relationship. Those are both interior angles, but they lie on opposite sides of the transversal, so those are considered alternate interior angles. And there's a theorem about alternate interior angles that says alternate interior angles are congruent. So I can set those equal to each other. I know my new angle of 62. I'm going to set that equal to 8x plus 6. Okay, and then when I subtract 6 over, I get 56 equals 8x, and then dividing by 8, I get x equals 7. So it took me a couple steps, but I was able to do it. I had to kind of piece by piece figure out what I was working with.